All right, let's talk about how to transcribe your YouTube videos. Now, you could hit play and write out everything you've done in a YouTube video, and it takes quite a long time. But one of the cool things is that YouTube actually has what's called closed captioning, right? Closed captioning are the little words that pop up on the screen in the language that you're speaking in, and it's translating it for you, just like you see on TV. And you can go in and edit those if they're a little bit wrong, because sometimes their algorithms aren't exactly right and it doesn't pick up exactly what you're saying. Or you could just download all those transcriptions so that when you begin to go write your transcriptions, you have a file to start with. It's pretty cool. Let me show you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is go into YouTube and you want to sign in. So you know you're signed in if your account at the top right corner shows that you're signed in. In this case, I'm using the Stupid Easy Lasting Freedom account. And we're going to go to YouTube Studio. Now, YouTube Studio is where you're able to edit and look at all the videos you have uploaded and things like that. And they're in a beta area. So some of you may have the alpha version, but most people have moved over to the beta version. It's just a new format that they've been working on for a while. It's nice and clean. All right, so you're in this format and you're going to pick a video. So let's just pick a video in this. Here's a little crash course I had done for some friends. And what I want to do is I want to transcribe this, right? I want to get the transcription from this. I don't want to have to write out every single word. So what I can do is you first want to go to transcriptions and just tell it what language this should be in. So we're going to set our language like this. In this case, it's the United States. And hit confirm. If you had your own transcription, you could upload it if you wanted to, but we're not going to do that. Then you're going to go to other features and go to translation and transcription. Okay. Nice and easy. And it's going to show you the video. It's going to have all kinds of stuff there. You're going to click where it says English. And this is not intuitive, by the way, but you're going to click English and it's going to pull up the transcription that it's processed for you. This took me a while to figure out. So if you're watching this video, it's probably because you couldn't figure this out either. Next, what you can do is if you wanted to, you could edit the automatic transcription to, like, if a word was wrong, you could do it right here, but that's not what we're going to do. We're going to go to Actions and we're going to download an SBV file. .sbv. Okay. So I download it and it's going to go right into my tray. Now I'm using Google Chrome, which is what I advise to do. I think Google Chrome is the most stable and has the most amazing extensions. I'm a Mac user and I love Safari, but Chrome is just way better. So after you've got the SBV file and it puts it down here in this tray, this is just a temporary area, which is really nice. So you don't have to go into your downloads folder. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to open up a tab and go to this URL. Now I save it in mine because I don't want to have to type it in every time, of course. It's transcriptor.jeffanddan.com, and I'll put the link below so you can find it really easily. I would bookmark this and favorite it. This is just somebody's website that they created. There's probably other ways to do this, but it's a nice little quick website to use. And all you have to do is drag the SBV file into this, and it automatically shows the timestamps for all the different parts in the words in which you said in your video. But we're going to delete those timestamps by just hitting this button, boom, and it puts the whole thing in one giant paragraph. Now it is a little bit messy, so you're going to have to go through, of course, and break it up into a transcription, but it's a lot easier than typing from scratch. Next, now if there's two other buttons down here, selections. You can stop words like and things like that if you didn't want that, or it can delete out repetitives. I find that those don't work as well and I don't trust them, so I don't use those. I just select in here and you want to select all these words, and you can either do it like this, but a quick way to do it is once you're selected in here, if you're on a PC, just hit Control or hold Control and hit A. And if you're on a Mac, hit Command A. Now you're going to copy this text and you're going to paste it into a document. You could use like a notepad or anything you want. I use Evernote a lot because I like to keep track of things. In the next few videos, I'm going to talk about how to implement this transcription into your blog post, and so that it works really well for your blog posts. If this video was helpful to you, will you please hit that like button and consider subscribing and sharing this with somebody that you think could benefit from this video. We love passing on solutions that make life a little more stupid easy. One more thing, we have a crash course we do very regularly, and it's totally free, and it's all about how to build an online course. We give a whole crash course on how we do this. If that interests you at all, you can sign up below. There's a register button below in the comments. We would love to see you there. All right, guys, that's it for this week. We will see you on the next video.